Let's start with the summary completion. This type of questions are generally found in the reading passage 3. Let's start with the summary completion. First, you need to know, before attempting any question type, you should be aware of keywords. Now what we have to do, we have to mark the keyword over here. According to Alan Stern, this is the name of writer, and then the private space companies could affect the future of ISS. He believes they could change its image. Firstly, because sending food and equipment, there would be more dash if commercial craft were used. So we have to look for the first question. So let's move to the passage. We have to look for Alan Stern, who is a writer over here. So let's find out. According to Alan Stern, we have found the Alan Stern. According to Alan Stern, Planetary, the scientist, the biggest public relation boost for ISS may come from privately funded space-fied industry. Companies, we have found the companies. We had been looking for companies in the question. Companies, and then we have to its image, sending food and equipment. Let's move to the passage. Companies like SpaceX could help NASA and its partners when it comes to resupplying, means that they are supplying to ISS. Resupplying, as it suggests, it can reduce launch cost by 2/3. Means we have the answer in this portion. So companies like, read carefully. Whenever you find the keyword, just read the information carefully. Just one sentence before the keyword and after the keyword. We have to read this much information. So the companies like SpaceX could help NASA and its partners when it comes to resupplying. It means we are sending something, resupplying the ISS, as it suggests reduce launch cost. Means it can reduce its launch cost if we send food and equipment. So what will be our answer? We have to look for synonym of reduce launch cost. So what will happen? Is it safe? No. Rapid? No, they haven't talked about that. Competitive? No. Regular? I don't know. Flexible? No. Suitable? No. Real? No. Economical? Yes, economical, because they are telling in the paragraph reduce launch cost. If we reduce its cost, it will be economical for them. So our answer will be here H. Let's move to the other question. And secondly, because commercial flights might make the whole idea of space exploration seem, we have to look for the keyword space exploration seem dash to ordinary people. We have to find out commercial flights, space exploration seem means it appears like that. How it appears to ordinary people. Let's move to the paragraph. Passage. Virgin Atlantis spaceship 2 or Zero Infinity's high altitude balloon could also boost the space station's fortune. They might not come. They are talking about balloon. Means that balloon might not come close to ISS. Means that they might not come close to ISS orbit. Yet Stern believes, means that they are not visible at close to ISS. Still, Stern believes they will revolutionize the way the public see space. We have found the public. Public means we have found the keyword. We had been looking for ordinary people. So let's let's read the information. They might not come close to ISS orbit. Yes, Stern believes they will revolutionize the way we see public see. It means it is saying that as we see the space, they will revolutionize. They will change as we see the space. So what is it indicating? Let's move to the question. Is it safe? They are talking about safe? No. They talk about rapid? No, I don't know. Competitive? No. Regular? No. Flexible? No. Suitable? No. Yes, real, because we the public see space like we see the space, so they will revolutionize. It means they will act like, they will appear like as we see space. So answer here will be D. Let's move to other question. Another point is that as the demand for space flights increases, when the demand for space flight increases, there is a chance of becoming more. So we have to look for the keyword demand for space in the demand for the space flight increases in the passage. We have to look. Soon everyone will be dreaming of interplanetary travel again, he predicts. So more importantly, scientists are already going for the seats on these low gravity space flight services, so they can collect data during a few minutes of weightlessness. This demand, we have found the key, we have found our keyword demand. We have been looking for demand. Demand for space flight increases, there is a chance of becoming more. Means that as the demand of space increases, what will happen? So the demand for the low cost space flight could eventually lead to, it means the demand for space, low cost space flight could eventually lead, it means it increases to a service running on a more frequent basis. So what will happen if the demand increases, the service running on a more frequent basis, so the service will be more frequent. Safe, no. Competitive, no. Flexible, no. Suitable, no. Rapid, no. Regular, yes. Regular is a synonym of frequent, so our answer will be F over here. So let's move to the other question. And by working on commercial flight first, scientists would be more if an ISS position came up. Means that before ISS position came up, scientists would be more happy, sad, it could be like that. And by working on a commercial flight, scientists would be more dash. So let's move to the paragraph. Giving researchers the chance to test their idea before submitting a proposal for the experiment on the ISS, getting flight experience should help them win a slot on the station, says Stern. So we have found the keyword giving researchers. We have found the researchers the chance to test their idea before. We've been looking for before. It means it is saying if, means that before reaching the ISS, before positioning the ISS, scientists would be more. So the giving researchers chance to test means that they are giving chance to researchers to test their ideas before submitting a proposal to experiment on the ISS. Means that before the ISS experiment they are giving them chance, so it is helping them. So we have to look for the keyword like that. Safe, no. Rapid, no. Competitive, no. Flexible, no. Suitable, yes. Suitable, because it is giving them chance, so it is giving them chance to test their idea. It is making their life more suitable, so our answer will be suitable. So it was the end of summary completion with list of words. You should have strong vocabulary if you want to attempt this type of question. So thank you.